Riad Almisk is a riad in the heart of the Medina. Riad Almisk is a non-smoking facility with free breakfast every morning, a pool, laundry facilities, on-site spa, and 24/7 front desk service. If you've been following me for a while now, you know that I visit Morocco at least once a year. And while in Marrakech, Morocco, I always stay in a riad. And I have to tell you, this riad is the first riad I've stayed in that is actually Moroccan owned. Riad Almisk was recently renovated just a year ago, and as you can see from this footage, no corners were cut. The authentic design and craftsmanship of the woodwork and tile are breathtaking. Whether you are looking up, straight ahead, down, to the side, your eye captures the traditional elegance of Morocco. Speaking of tradition, Morocco is known for their warm and inviting hospitality. Staying in a riad is like staying at your favorite relative's home, and Riad Almisk is no different. Their staff is so pleasant and accommodating. From the front desk staff to housekeeping to the rooftop attendants, they made me feel like I was at home. I hope you're enjoying this tour so far. If you are, please go ahead and hit the like button down below and be sure to subscribe. This really helps my channel grow and lets me know that you like the type of content that I'm sharing. So be sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment down below. Hi. There are a few saloons on the property which are great for small gatherings, relaxing while reading a book, or having some tea. I enjoy doing some work while listening to the birds play in the courtyard. Really cute space. The triple room ensuite included a king-size bed along with a sofa that turns into a sleeper. I love the size of this room. I stayed at this riad for 6 days, so having ample space to unpack my belongings and just spread out was important for me. Having a formal living space was quite nice as well for lounging and getting work done. Also, enjoying some hot Moroccan tea while overlooking the beautiful courtyard. Staying at this riad is like being in a museum. Your eyes are drawn to so much beauty. This mosaic pattern on the ceiling perfectly frames the room and adds the texture, dimension, while nodding to the Amazigh culture. This beautiful pattern is carried on into the bedroom area. I'm going to let you guys now enjoy the rest of this footage in the bedroom as well as the closet area. Make sure you take a look at the beautiful craftsmanship of that closet. That's wood, hand carved. I'll pick you guys back up when we head to the roof. The roof is located 3 flights up from the main entrance area. I don't know about you, but I love a grand reveal. Walking up the steps and seeing the beautiful tile and all the artwork leading to the rooftop was small in comparison to the grand reveal of when you finally get to the top and you see this beautiful swinging chair, the light rose dusty pink, and then you're walking into this beautiful oasis at the top of the Riad. Just all smiles for me. Stepping into the rooftop, it's kind of split into 2 parts. On the left side, you have a sun deck for sunbathing as well as a pool. And then on the right side, you have your bar and your dining and seating area, as well as a nice lounge area to eat with, friends and family, have tea, etc. So it's a really nice upstairs area that allows for a lot of different fun outdoor activities. Fun fact, when I was in Essaouira, Morocco, I saw a lot of tile that looked like this and I wanted to purchase all of it, but unfortunately I didn't have a way to pack it in my luggage. I do feel like soon, maybe next year, God willing, I will make a trip to Morocco, and I think it might be just solely buying things for my home. Like, that will be the whole purpose of the trip. I do typically buy things from Morocco for my home, but I think the next trip might be just solely decor, like empty suitcase, 1 pair of jeans, 1 pair of slacks, a t-shirt, and just room to bring stuff back, because I mean, look at this place. It's so much inspiration. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour of Riad Almisk. It was such a lovely time staying there. So I just want to thank everyone that's a part of Riad Almisk. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and give this video a thumbs up. And check back on Sunday. I have a vlog coming out, and I think you guys are really gonna like this one.